My name is Rhonda Seth. I am a Customer Success Manager for RapidLink Repair. Customer success means having a dedicated and passionate team committed to delivering a seamless and stress-free experience for every stage of the repair process. This includes onboarding, navigating through My RLR, or anything that may aid in the customer success. Within customer success, we set our customers up for success from day one by starting with our kickoff calls immediately after onboarding. This call is designed to begin the engagement right away and ensure a smooth transition into our partnership. During our kickoff calls, our customers are introduced to their key contacts across each department. We clearly outline the roles and responsibilities. We review expectations, processes, and communications across all channels. We ensure that they know exactly who to reach out to for specific needs. Most importantly, we reinforce our customer success team will remain consistent point of contact for any guidance. We help direct them in the right resources and solutions whenever challenges arise. Our proactive approach builds clarity, confidence, and a strong collaboration from the very beginning. Within customer success, a lot happens behind the scenes to ensure that customers have a smooth and reliable experience. Behind the scene, our team is collaborating across departments to ensure alignment between operations, technical support, logistics, and of course, customer success. We are proactively identifying potential issues before the impact may affect the customer, reviewing performance metrics, service levels, and maintaining a high standard, communicating internally to resolve any challenges quickly and efficiently. While customers may only see the finished result, there is a constant collaboration of problem solving, quality oversight happening in the background. Our goal is to anticipate needs, resolve obstacles, and ensure every interaction feels seamless and well managed. The most satisfying part of my role in customer success is building a strong relationship with our customers and seeing them feel confident and supported. I enjoy knowing that we can be a reliable resource they can trust to guide them in the right direction and help resolve challenges quickly. There's nothing more rewarding than turning a concern into a solution and hearing the appreciation from a customer who feels heard, feels valued. Seeing our process work smoothly, watching collaboration across the teams come together, and knowing we played a part in making our customers' day easier, that's what makes customer success truly fulfilling.